Hello everyone, this is Chand Kaur from RPIIT campus Karnal. Today I am going to talk about gangrene. The contents of this video are definitions, types, symptoms, causes, risk factors, complications and prevention of gangrene. Let's talk about definition of gangrene first. Gangrene is death of body tissues due to a lack of blood flow or a serious bacterial infection. Gangrene commonly affects the arms and legs, including the toes and fingers, but it can also occur in the muscles and in organs inside the body, such as the gallbladder. There are six types of gangrene: dry gangrene, wet gangrene, gas gangrene, internal gangrene, Frone's gangrene, and Malnese gangrene. Let's talk about dry gangrene first. This type of gangrene involves dry and shriveled skin that looks brown to purplish blue or black, as we can see in this picture. Dry gangrene may develop slowly. It occurs most commonly in people who have diabetes or blood vessel diseases such as atherosclerosis. Second type of gangrene is wet gangrene. Wet gangrene is referred to as wet if there is a bacterial infection in the affected tissue. Swelling, blistering, and a wet appearance are common features of wet gangrene. Moreover, wet gangrene may develop after a severe burn, frostbite, or injury. It often occurs in people with diabetes who unknowingly injures a toe or foot. Wet gangrene needs to be treated immediately because it spreads quickly and can be deadly. Third type of gangrene is gas gangrene. Gas gangrene typically affects deep muscle tissues. If you have gas gangrene, the surface of your skin may look normal at first. Gas gangrene is most commonly caused by infection with the bacterium called Clostridium perfringens. Bacteria gather in an injury or surgical wound that has no blood supply. The bacterial infection produces toxin that releases gas and causes tissue death. Like wet gangrene, gas gangrene is a life-threatening condition. Fourth type of gangrene is internal gangrene. This affects one or more of organs such as your intestine, gallbladder or appendix is called internal gangrene. This type of gangrene occurs when blood flow to an internal organ is blocked. For example, when your intestine bulges through a weakened area of muscles in your stomach area, that is hernia, and become twisted. If left untreated, internal gangrene can be deadly, like wet and gas gangrene. Here you can see internal gangrene in this image. Frone's gangrene. It involves the genital organs. Men are most often affected, but women also can develop this type of gangrene. An infection in the genital area or urinary tract causes this type of gangrene. We can see Frone's gangrene in case of males through this picture. Last type of gangrene is Malnese gangrene. This is rare type of gangrene and also called progressive bacterial synergistic gangrene. It is usually a complication of surgery. People with Malnese gangrene develop painful skin lesions 1 or 2 weeks after their operations. The symptoms of gangrene include skin discoloration, swelling, blisters, sudden severe pain followed by a feeling of numbness, a foul smelling discharge leaking from a sore, thin, shiny skin or skin without hair, skin that feels cold to the touch. There are three causes of gangrene. First is lack of blood supply to the tissues. Second is infection. And third one is traumatic injury. The risk factors of gangrene are diabetes, blood vessel diseases, severe injury or surgery, smoking, obesity, immunosuppression, medications or drugs that are injected, and last one is complications of COVID-19. Let's talk about complications. Gangrene can lead to serious complication if it's not immediately treated. Bacteria can spread quickly to other tissues and organs. You may need to have a body part removed, that is amputated, to save your life. Removal of infected tissue can lead to scarring or the need of reconstructive surgery. Let's talk about prevention. How can we prevent gangrene? We can take care of our diabetes. We have to lose weight. Don't use tobacco. Prevent infections. Watch out when the temperature drops. Thanks for watching.